Did you open the book, Atiq Hassan?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We will learn here using enough and or enough to. Using enough or enough to. The word enough can be used both as adjective and an adverb. The word enough can be used both an adjective and an adverb. This is the word enough. It can be used both an adjective and an adverb. You see, he has enough money to buy a car. The word enough is used before money, and this is a noun. The word money is a noun, so the word enough is adjective here. But if you write, he is tall enough to see over the wall. Over the wall. Here enough, the word enough is used after the word tall, and tall is an adjective. So as the word enough modifies the adjective, it is adverb. So we can say that the word enough can be used both an adjective and an adverb. Both an adjective and an adverb. As an adjective, the word enough is followed by a noun. Adjective হিসেবে আমরা যখন তাকে বসাবো সে নাউনের পরে বসবে. As an adjective, it is followed by a noun. It is followed by a noun. এটার পরে একটা noun বসবে. It is followed by a noun. The word is noun, and the word noun is followed by a noun. As an adverb, the word enough is used after an adjective. Look at here. The word first after an adjective or adverb. After an adjective or adverb. Look at the word here. First, it is adverb, and the word enough is following the word adverb, so it is another adverb. Okay, now we shall move to next slide. In both cases, enough is followed by an infinitive phrase. What is an infinitive phrase? When a present form of verb is followed by to, it is called infinitive phrase. Okay, Shafqat, you can ask your question.
Yes, sir.
You write,
Yes, sir.
you have a question. You can ask me.
Okay, sir.
What is your question?
Sir, I have not a question.
Then why in the message box you said me that you have a question? Do not message me. It is not necessary. It is necessary to writing down something. Look at the example. The miser has enough money to buy a car. The miser has enough money to buy a car. Here, enough is an adjective and is still followed by to plus verb. And the word enough, here it is an adverb. Still, it is followed by a to plus verb, infinitive. So a verb when followed by to is called infinitive. যখন কোনো ভার্বের প্রেজেন্ট ফর্ম টু এর পরে বসে, যখন কোনো ভার্বের প্রেজেন্ট ফর্ম টু এর পরে বসে, তখন আমরা সেটাকে ইনফিনিটিভ ফ্রেজ বলি। তো এই ওয়ার্ড এনাফ শব্দটার পরে যখন আমরা কোনো শব্দ বা বাক্য বা ক্লজ বা ফ্রেজ যুক্ত করতে চাই, আমরা টু দিয়ে যোগ করতে হয়। So see what infinitive phrase is. To buy or to buy a car, to win the race or to win is an infinitive phrase. Okay. Now see, there are two sentences here in your book. There are two sentences here. The boy is tall and he could see over the wall. When you are going to join sentences with enough, you will write the first sentence. The boy is tall. You will write the first sentence. Then you will add enough. Then you will add to, and then you will add verb and other parts. From verb to other parts. From verb to other parts of the sentence. From verb to other part of the sentence. Okay. Now see the sentences here. The word tall is an adjective here, so we shall use enough after tall and to and a to, and then we shall use another sentence from the verb. বাকি সেন্টেন্সটা আমরা verb থেকে লিখব। বাকি সেন্টেন্সটা আমরা verb থেকে লিখব। Look, this is see over the wall. This is verb see, and from there we will have to write the rest part of the sentence. So the boy is tall enough to see over the wall. The boy is tall is the first sentence having adjective at the end. And then we have added enough to, and then we have added the sentence, next sentence from the bar. So this is the mechanism, this is the process, how we can add enough with to, how we can add enough with to. Okay, Shafkat. Hello, Shafkat. Hello, Mr. Shafkat. Hello, Mr. Shafkat. You are not listening to me. Shabir Khan. Hello, Shabir Khan. Unmute yourself. Shabir Khan, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
المغشي عليه মুখ সাজাওয়া এটা একটা নতুন শব্দ এটা শুধুমাত্র আপনাদের
English version আমি বুঝেছ?
সেই শব্দটি
Yes, sir.
গাশি থেকে এসে মানে যে যার বিবেক জ্ঞান আচ্ছাদিত
So now I think you will be able to solve it yourself. Sapnan Sakin,
Yes, sir.
can you answer this sentence?
Sir, the sentence will be the girl was small enough to get through the window.
Okay. Look how to add this sentence. The girl was small enough to get through the window. You will write the answer in your copy. Sanjit Ahmed Khan. Have you written? Nurul Sams. Nurul Sams, have you written?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, now we can move to question number 3. The horse was fast, it could win the race. There is Sabrina Sharmin. I think you are not Sabrina Sharmin. Your mother is Sabrina Sharmin. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself first. Can you listen to me?
Sir, I can.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Can you answer this question?
Was first it could win the horse was fast enough to win the race.
Okay, you are right. Look at the answer. He is totally right. The horse was fast enough to win the race. Farhan. Farhan. asked you to unmute. Unmute yourself. Karan cannot understand how to unmute himself. Tamim. Tamim, can you unmute yourself, Tamim? Hello, Mr. Tamim. Tahmid Al-Jabir.
Yes, sir.
Can you answer this question?
Sir, number 4.
Yes, number 4.
He was not big enough. He could not carry the box.
Oh, okay, you will write down. Then give me the answer. I am not asking you to give the question. I am asking you to give the answer. Can you give me the answer? Hamid Al-Jabir, can you give me the answer? Unmute yourself first.
Yes, sir.
Give the answer.
Sir, which one I answer?
Yes, 4. Give me the answer of 4.
He was not big enough. He could not carry the box.
No, you are wrong. You did not listen carefully. You cannot use this part. He could not. You cannot use this part in answer. The answer will be he was big enough to carry the box. He was not big enough to carry the box. There will be not. He was not big enough to carry the box. He was not big enough to carry the box. Shafqat, 17009.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you answer me the next question? The rope was strong, it could hold 4 men. Can you answer this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, answer this.
The rope was strong enough to hold 4 men.
Yes, you are absolutely right. Okay, now we can move to next question. Question number 6. The room was not big. It could not hold 50 people. Can you answer this, Shafqat?
Yes, sir.
Okay, answer this one also.
The room was not big enough to hold 50 people.
Yes, you have understood. The room was not big enough to hold 50 people. Atik Hassan, can you answer this question? Question number 7.
Yes, sir.
Okay, answer this one.
The boat was big enough to hold 20 people.
People. Okay, you are right. You are absolutely right. Aditya. Aditya, unmute yourself. Aditya. Can you please?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you answer question number 8?
Yes, sir.
Okay, answer.
The boat was big enough to go far out to the sea.
Okay. The boat was not. The boat was not. The boat was not big enough to go far out the sea. You are right.
Yes, sir.
There is Rumana. Who is Rumana? I think you are not Rumana.
Yes, sir.
What is it?
Ariyat Ran. Sir, Ariyat Ran.
Okay, can you ask me? Can you answer me the next question?
Yes,
Question.
sir.
Answer it.
The clothes were not thick enough to keep the children warm.
Okay, the answer will be. The answer will be. The cloths were not thick. The cloths were not thick enough to keep the children warm. The cloths were not thick enough to keep the children warm. Sajid, all winners.
Yes, sir.
Can you answer question number 10?
Yes, sir. Yes, the answer is Jack was not tall enough to reach the window.
Okay, I think you were completely right. Jack was
Thank
not
you, sir.
reached the window. Okay, Salman Saqib. Unmute yourself, Salman Saqib.
Yes, sir. I'm not করেছি.
Okay, can you answer question number 11?
Zeb was not old enough to go to school.
Okay, I think you are also right. You are doing excellent. Ahnaf. 17151 Ahnaf. Can you listen to me, Ahnaf? Can you answer question number 12? Sharif.
Yes, sir.
Sharif Akbar, can you answer question number 12?
Okay, sir. The parcel was small enough to the letter box.
No, there is some mechanism. We wrote in an infinitive, the verb must be in the present. Whenever you are going to write to, whenever you are going to write to, after to, the verb must be in the present form. After to, the verb must be in the present form. After to, the verb must be in the present form. And that is why we cannot write to went into the letter box. We must write to go into the letter box and you must write the note. You must write the note here. এখানে যে নোটটা দেওয়া আছে সেটা অবশ্যই লিখে নেবে সবাই। Mr. Farhan, write yourself. Write, নিজে লিখো, অন্যদিকে কথা বলো না। Farhan, okay, we have finished page 16. Now we shall move to page 17 of this chapter. Look here, it is Jack's book. It is Jack's book. Look at the marks. It is called apostrophe. The punctuation mark is called apostrophe. The punctuation mark is called apostrophe. Nabil Hassan. Nabil Hassan, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Do you know what is the name of the mark? Indian name.
Yes, sir.
Ina.
Yes, sir. It is apostrophe.
Okay. When we use it with a noun, it denotes the possession, and that is why it is called possessive case. When we use it, it is called possessive case. When a singular noun or the nouns having s sound at the end is added with apostrophe, we use an s after it. যখন আমরা অ্যাপোস্ট্রফি বসাবো কোনো সিঙ্গুলার নাউনের পরে অথবা ওই সমস্ত নাউন যাদের পরে s সাউন্ড নাই তখন আমরা একটা s বসিয়ে দেই। But in case of plural noun or the nouns having sound s at the end, we use only apostrophe. Look at the following examples. নিচে কিছু एग्जांपल দেওয়া আছে, एग्जांपल গুলোর দিকে তাকাও। Boy plus apostrophe is equal to আমরা যখন লিখবো তখন একটা apostrophe s যোগ করে লিখতে হবে। বাট বয়েস এর পর যখন আমরা apostrophe যোগ করি শুধু apostrophe দেই আর একটা s দেই না। women সিঙ্গুলার এজন্য apostrophe দিয়েছি, women প্লুরাল কিন্তু s নাই, s নাই এখানে এজন্য আমরা s যোগ করে দিয়েছি। we have added an s. When a noun is added with apostrophe, it is said to be a possessive case. It is said to be a possessive case. It means that a noun has or possesses something or some other noun. For example, it is Raju's pencil. It means that Raju possesses the pencil, or we can also say the pencil belongs to Raju. The pencil belongs to Raju. You will have to write these things. Now say, Milan, are you writing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anasullah.
Yes, sir.
Are you writing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Be quick. Hamid Al Jaber, do not talk. Do not talk with someone else. Write quickly. Jisan. Jisan,
Yes, sir.
have you finished writing?
স্যার একটু বাকি আছে।
Be quick. I think now you have finished. Anab Shikhar. Anab Shikhar, have you finished?
Sir, just 2 minutes. 2 minutes only is that শেষ হয়ে যাবে।
Okay, write quickly.
Oh, yes. Oh, plus 3.
Sir, finished.
Now we shall move to next page.
Sir, finished.
Now look here. It is Jack's books. Jack's book. It means that it belongs to Jack or the book belongs to Jack. Please write down in your book. It is Usma's pen. It means that it belongs to Usma or the pen belongs to Usma. It is Mr. Shah's money. It means that it belongs to Mr. Shah. They are my brother's goods. It means that they belong to my brother. They are the farmer's cows. It means that they belong to the farmer or the cows belong to the farmer. Please write quickly. And at the same time, you will also write SW. SW will be page
Sir, in the copy or book?
in the book,
Okay, sir.
chapter 10, page 18 and 19. Chapter 10, page 18 and 19. And write this thing. The class is going to be finished. Do not forget to write down the SW. Do not forget to write down the SW.
Okay, sir.